yesterday. There was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the Monday.
Hello, welcome back to Life Millwife. Caroline and I had a crafting day this afternoon, so I invited her to stay for supper. And yes, we're having a few carbs today. We had a very healthy lunch, so we said, well, let's have some corn on the cob for supper. And we're having a sauce on our pork chops that has a little sugar in it, but oh well. We had a charcuterie board for lunch, so we had some fruit and cheese and almond crackers and things like that. So we had some raw veggies and stuff. So let me show you what we're doing. Frying pan here with a little bit of olive oil in it, and we're gonna sear these butterfly pork chops. I suppose I should turn my corn on the cob on. Give these a nice, didn't come right up to heat yet, so that's okay. We'll just leave them sitting there for a minute. Anyway, we're gonna sear these. Got the corn going, and then we're gonna make a honey garlic sauce for the pork chops. So we'll bring you back in a few minutes. Okay, so the oven is ready.
No.
And just putting, it was supposed to go in the pot. There.
You missed.
Put that in there and let that melt. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit of cornstarch to make a slurry. I don't even really need that on.
Yeah, I turned it off. It's pretty hot.
Yeah. Just gonna.
Did you
I
get
didn't want to put that spoon in there.
How much do you want?
Like a spoonful like this, but I just gotta wait until this melts.
Like this?
Probably. We'll see. You want to drop that in?
Yeah, just keep stirring though or it'll clump.
Yep. Get this.
Perfect.
Yeah. Turn it on a little bit now. Okay. Then we just got this honey garlic sauce there. Give it a shake. And,
Those are the things I can't open.
and then we're just gonna put a little bit more. Probably about half the jar for what we've got there. Just stir that up and hope it thickens a little bit.
Should.
Yeah.
Might have to add a little bit more of this.
Probably a little bit. It's not, doesn't feel too much like it's thick enough.
Getting down to the bottom of the barrel.
Yeah, that's okay. There we go. And then we're going to pour this on the pork chops and throw them in the oven for probably half an hour, if that. We seared them quite well. Just let this thicken a little bit. I suppose we could turn this off for a little bit.
Oh, right, yeah. Well, it hasn't come to a boil yet.
No. Almost. But. So, I have an assumption for you.
What's that?
There was an assumption that Kevin and I don't read labels.
Oh.
So we don't know what the heck we're eating.
Oh, I see. You don't know what's in the things that you buy.
Yeah, okay. We do know. And I don't know about you, but there's no harm in having a meal once in a while that's not extremely low carb or low sugar.
No, no, absolutely not.
We don't do it every day.
No.
Well, this doesn't seem to be thickening. And of
Now
course,
your phone's going.
bang on. Okay, so there's the butterfly pork chops. We each just took a half because they were fairly big. And a piece of corn. So there we are. And we're going to be back with a little Value Village haul that we did yesterday. So we'll be back with that in a minute. Okay, we had a yummy supper.
Yes, we did. It was delicious.
We got leftovers for tomorrow.
Well, Kelly does.
Yeah, you're not.
I
You're
won't
not
be
staying.
here.
Okay, so people are going to ask me about the red face.
Yes.
I had my cortisone shots yesterday, and it's been about 5 months since I've had cortisone, and I always get, and I've said it in months past too, I always get this burning sensation and rosy face. So
Yeah.
it'll be gone in a day or so.
Yep. So we're gonna do our Value Village hauls.
We went yesterday.
Yes.
We
We
were
met up yesterday.
Yeah. I only got, well, I got 3 things, but one was a gift for her, so she'll show that when she's
Yes.
done. Anyways, I got this for my grandson when he comes.
The school bus.
Yeah.
Build a school bus.
And it was $4.99. So that's going to be a fun activity for Papa and him. And then, so he's coming back to Manitoba from Ontario with us. And then on I think it's the 14th of July or something, I'm taking him for a train ride. I used to do it with my other grandson when he was young. He'd come for the summer and then I would take him on the train back. And he loved it when he was young. So Aston is so looking forward to that trip. But he needs a pillow for the train.
That's right.
And his bedroom is all done in Toronto Maple Leafs, so I found this pillow for $10.79. So I'll throw it in the wash, and he's gonna love it, and it'll go in his bedroom when he's done. So
Yes.
that's well, like I said, the third item I gave to her, so as a gift. So she'll show.
Oh yes.
Okay.
I'll show it now.
I'm going to
Yes.
shut up, and it's your turn.
This is my gift from Kelly. And if I seen them, I would have grabbed them. So yeah, they are flamingo salt and pepper shakers. They are gorgeous. I love them. Thank you so much. I said, keep them for my birthday. She's like, just take them now.
It was so funny because I had them in my cart.
Yeah.
And then I had to go to the bathroom, and I went up to her and I said, "You don't see these."
But when I saw the pink, I was like, I think I know what those are. Yeah.
So they were $5.99 for the set.
Yeah. All right, this is what I picked up. You know me, and I love my antiques, so I bought this dish, and it was $5.99, and I believe it's from the 1950s, 60s.
I think that's what you told me.
Yes, it's a Pyrex, but look at that pattern on it. That's an oldie.
I love the size.
One
of
that I
it.
haven't seen. Yeah, it's perfect. Perfect size.
And it was
I
$5.99.
thought I said that, yeah. And then I did purchase this for $5.99. It's missing the creamer, but I am going to resell it. And it's made in Japan, so anything made in Japan does sell. And so maybe somebody, you know, broke theirs and they need a replacement. Well, they'll be able to purchase it from me. It's $5.99. And I also bought Mickey here, a little keychain to resell. And he was $3.99. It's a keychain.
Or a bag.
Or a bag. Yeah, a bag. That's exactly what it is.
Yeah, for the
to clip
for
on
your
your bag. Yeah, your backpack, your purse, whatever. And then I found the Mickey cup, $5.99, and it was it's Disney. Thought it had a year in it, but it doesn't. Nope.
I think you're gonna make like a little Disney thing, eh?
Yeah, but I could put the two together
Yeah.
because I think somebody would really like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, a Disney lover. And then I found these, and these are from the 1930s. There's only 3, and she gave me the 3 of them for $5.99, even though it said ×2, but she ripped the tag off. She says, I'm giving you all 3 for that. And it's J and B, and it says, I can't read that first word. Justerini and Brooks, distilled, blended, and bottled in Scotland, established 1749. So that is right on there.
Lovely.
Really, really nice green glasses. Is that what that says? Like, I'm trying to, it's very hard to read it. Justerini, yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. So I also qualified as a senior yesterday because, you know, Tuesdays are Seniors Day, and I'm much older than Kelly.
No, she's not.
So I got 30% off. And I filled a bag of baby clothes. Now, they didn't have the small bag, and the lady goes, if you go up to the front, she'll give you one. But when I went up, she says, that's not a small bag, it's a medium bag. But I think it was, I'm going to say $4.99, but I got all this for $5. I'm not complaining. This
By
is
the way,
last...
I'm 56. She's 58. So that's
I'm going to be 59.
Not yet.
A couple more months. All right. So, of course, baby stuff for the grandbabies on the way. This is at 18 months. And my daughter had her baby today. She had her baby girl today.
May 13.
May 13. So I showed these to her while she was, hold on, Mom. She was in labor. She was, hold on, Mom. She says, I'm getting another pain. This is newborn with little daisies on it. And this one is newborn with strawberries and flowers. So cute. Look, oh, this one's got pockets.
And they're going to fit the baby because she was only 5'5".
Yeah. And we have a boy coming as well at the end of the month. These are Carter's, 3 months. Little jeans. So there is one pair of jeans. And she can have a pair of these as well. There's a lighter pair. They're so cute. Mm-hmm. Old Navy. Those ones are Old Navy. She wants these. I showed her everything. She says, yes, I'll take those. Little denim overalls. These are 0 to 3 months, so they're definitely going to fit. We just have to fix that. It's just on wrong or twisted. There we go. So she wants those. There we go. The little Canada shirt, 18 to 24 months, so that'd be for next summer. I'll probably give that to him. Boy, these boxes are going to be packed. And I've already bought them, so the prepaid boxes. These are 3 months. How adorable. And the suspenders can come off.
So cute.
Those are for him. These are little tiny jeans, 0 to 3 months. And these ones are actually nice and soft. Mm-hmm. And then little track pants. So those will be for him too. And an Oshkosh hoodie. And you know, babies grow so fast. I was just saying to Kelly, I remember when she was making something for Oakland before she was born.
Yeah.
And now look at her. She's riding a bike.
Yes, she is.
6 to 9 months on that, so that will go to him. And both of these children, appreciate this thrifted
yeah.
clothing because they realize how expensive it is, and the kids will grow out of it. 3 to 6 months. This one is really cute. Little bears and fox. What else? Squirrel. Yeah, it's long sleeves though. But that's okay, because if they have air conditioning, and this is the cutest little one, Co-Pilot. So that is for him as well. So I don't have my receipt, but it wasn't very much. And
no, this was like
I said,
$5,
yeah, I got 30% off as well. Yeah, so I think I did well. Done with baby clothes for now. Got to get these boxes packed because now we've got one has entered the world already. And yeah, get them all packed up and mailed off hopefully Friday. Yes. Yeah. So
All
that's
right.
everything. We had fun yesterday. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow and probably here Saturday. Don't know what Friday's gonna bring, but yeah. See, Kevin's away.
Yes.
So we can have fun.
Yes.
Yes.
When the cat's away, the mice do play.
That's right. Yeah. Anyways, that is it. That's all that I picked up at Value Village, and that's all that you picked up at Value Village.
Yeah. We just went to waste time before my doctor's appointment.
That's right. Yeah.
So
Yeah. And I always find goodies. Always.
And you hadn't been to that location either.
Oh, these have a cool lip
Yeah, they do.
inside. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was really happy with my finds.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
Yep. Catch us on the next video. Bye for now, everyone.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain.